Okay, so speaking of not companies that people don't know a lot about, but a company that people do know a lot about, I wanted to ask you about SoftBank because, we got the reports last week suggesting that they could be, 60 to 70 billion in terms of this IPO, in terms of the valuation. Do you think that, one, that's likely, and secondly, is this going to be the catalyst for SoftBank to get back to where it was? I'm not just even talking about this week and, the expectations of the Vision Fund returning to a profit, but is the ARM IPO, is this going to be the game changer?
Yes, I think the ARM IPO is an important game changer for the investor perception of SoftBank. But there will, I think, be other game-changing events. The fact that ARM is only a part of the whole investment universe of SoftBank is probably not that well understood yet. And the fact that ARM is so much a focus of SoftBank when it's actually only a portion of what that company does hasn't perhaps been understood, and it suggests there's a lot of other fantastic value still to be unlocked in this company of SoftBank. I think SoftBank, forgive me for shooting my mouth off, but I think it's one of the most misunderstood stocks in Japan, and I think that in a sense it's a microcosm of the entire Japanese market. There's a lot of complex stuff in there, but there's a lot of fantastic value and opportunity in there as well. And the ARM IPO will be an important wake-up call, I think, to people to do the work on this company. The numbers that have been mooted for the IPO, they make perfect sense to us if we look at the current trend of earnings and the current multiples, of course, of NVIDIA, but even other companies in that space. In fact, probably the press mooted numbers for the IPO are rather understated, in my view. We were one of the biggest holders of ARM as a company before it was bought by SoftBank, and we've always believed in that story.